Hi, this is Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and to Mixed Media Frenzy. That's where we all take the same sketch or layout and we use it for inspiration for our mixed media. This one is, well, the word Titre. I'm pretty sure it's French because I have gotten a few sketches from a French blog, but I'm not sure where this one came from. But you might want to check Kathy's channel because she might have a link to it. But I this today's scrapbooking process is going to be scrapbooking process slash layout share. Yeah, I had a corrupt file on here. This camera will do 30 minutes and then start a new clip, 30 minutes and start a new clip. Anyway, I guess it messed up before the 30 minutes was even up the first time. And then I think it would be a whole clip probably that I lost. But it like froze. You'll see it at the end of this. I left a tiny bit there so you can see what happened. But yeah, it just kind of froze. So I am going to walk you through what all I did. Right now, I took a piece of cardstock and used it as a template to put a line all the way around here. And now I'm erasing it after I put my little holes in there. And I used one of those pink pearl erasers. Now, if you ever got an eraser and thought this isn't as good as the last one, I'll tell you what your problem probably is. It needs to say pink pearl. There's plenty of pink erasers out there that look a lot alike, but if it does not say pink pearl eraser, it does not erase near as well. But this one is a pink pearl one. I've had it forever. Misplaced it once, bought me another one. It was horrible. Then I found this one in my little kit that I took to a crop where I should have probably looked to start with and went to use it and I thought, oh, it's awesome. But yeah, it has to say pink pearl. A friend of mine agreed with me on that one. She had come across the same conclusion as I did. Oh, here's where it froze, see? And it stayed that way. And here is the next clip that was good. But yeah, I got quite a bit done. I did use the packaging technique on it, and which is rare. Yeah, I don't do that too often. But I did. I had Pacifica and Ocean as my two colors of blue because I did use two different ones in the background. And on the thread, I sewed all the way around just because I wasn't sure what I was going to do. I didn't know if I was going to unravel some of my stitches and break them to make the messy look. But I decided that I just wad up some of the thread and put it on there just like messy thread, even though it has several more strands, so that made it thicker looking. But yeah, I did that in 5 spots and just glued it down. I also cut me one of the die that had the star. It had a circle up in the left-hand corner, so I put that there. And I did use a paintbrush to make the circle behind the picture. I might have should have made it just a little bit bigger, but I wasn't really liking it too good, so I didn't make it any bigger. I am cutting apart these arrows, well, chevrons, to make them look like arrows and use them as arrows. And I'm going to put 4 on here, I think. I was wanting to add a little more color. Even though I was doing tone on my mixed media and having different colors of blue, including the thread, I decided it needed more color after I did all that. And if you notice on the right, mine's just a little bit crooked, the lines where I sewed. I didn't get my cardstock quite straight. So if y'all decide to do that the same way I did, use your T-square ruler. It might get just a little bit straighter, but it's not off too bad. I thought by the time I got the title down on the bottom, it would work. The original layout had 2 pictures, but I only had the one of Ricky, and I've been planning on scrapping it for a while. He was over at my house one day, and he was like right next to me, and I took his picture, And I did not realize how close up I was until I got it developed, because this one was developed. It was with my old camera a long time ago. And I have just never scrapped it. But let's see, what am I doing now? Oh, this is a little teeny tiny camera that I fussy cut out of that other paper. I was wanting to add a little something right there. And I thought about adding buttons to my layout since I had so much thread. But then I couldn't find the colors that I wanted. I had plenty of blue and red, which would have matched his shirt. And then everything else was odds and ends. So since I didn't have a few that was the same color, I decided to go with enamel dots and go ahead and put the blue on there. Yeah, the yellow didn't quite match the other part. But I am so sorry for the corrupt file. I just tried everything to get it to cooperate and it wouldn't. But I thought, well, I can do a process video / layout share. But hopefully when you go to the other gals' channels, you will see theirs from beginning to end and see how they created their layout with the same inspiration that I did. And they're always different. It is amazing. They are always different. And they use different things besides having different ideas from their inspiration. But thank you all so much for watching. If you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you liked the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who are, thank you so very much. But have a happy, scrappy weekend. Take care and stay safe. Bye.